Metal furniture is a type of furniture that uses metal parts in its construction. There are various types of metals that can be used, such as iron, carbon steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Iron and steel products are extensively used in many applications, ranging from office furnishings to outdoor settings. From iron to aluminum to stainless steel, furniture crafted from various metals is a popular choice for many who love the durability, the structure, and look that they can bring. Far from being a new invention, metal furniture has been around for centuries. In fact, a 1996 book on the history of metal furniture even described an iron chair used in ancient Roman times, showing just how old its history really is. In the Middle Ages, metal became increasingly popular as material for bed frames. Bedrooms were damp and wrapped in tapestries, and the choice of metal ensured that beds would not be damaged by either moisture or the bugs and moths that gravitated towards bedrooms. The first known item of metal furniture was a round three-legged cast iron table crafted by German designer Carl Friedrich Schinkel in 1820. Its lion paw feet were later used in the cast iron benches for which he became known, and which became popular across the globe. In the 1830s, iron became more widely used as a construction material for railways, and it was this increased use that also made it a more popular choice for furniture, especially for gardens and other outdoor spaces. From here, metal furniture really started to boom. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 2 of our metal table leg design ideas video. It is to be recalled that we have released part 1 of the metal leg design ideas video about 2.5 months ago. The link in the video will be in the video description and somewhere on the screen. Please go and check it out after watching this video. So due to the increased interest from our viewers on the subject matter, we have come up with this video, which contains newer collections of beautiful metal table leg design ideas which you can copy and duplicate at your own workshop. You can pick your favorite design and try to make it at home, show it to your local workshop so that they can make one for you. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. So we advise you to watch the video until the end and choose an inspiring design for your next project. Well, for those of you who would rather buy already manufactured metal table legs and going and making them by yourselves, we will put links for best-selling ones in the video description. So make sure to go and check them out as well. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. A table is an item of furniture with a flat top and one or more legs, used as a surface for working at, eating from, or on which to place things. Some common types of tables are the dining room table, which is used for seated persons to eat meals, the coffee table, which is a low table used in living rooms to display items or serve refreshments, and the bedside table, which is used to place an alarm clock and a lamp. There are also a range of specialized types of tables, such as drafting tables used for doing architectural drawings, and sewing tables. Tables come in a wide variety of materials, shapes, and heights, dependent upon their origin, style, intended use, and cost. Many tables are made of wood or wooden-based products. Some are made of other materials, including metal and glass. Most tables are composed of a flat surface and one or more supports or legs. A table with a single central foot is a pedestal table. Long tables often have extra legs for more support. Tabletops can be in virtually any shape, although rectangular, square, round, and oval tops are the most frequently used. Others have higher surfaces for personal use while either standing or sitting on a tall stool. Many tables have tops that can be adjusted to change their height, position, shape, or size, either with foldable, sliding, or extensions parts that can alter the shape of the top. Some tables are entirely foldable for easy transportation, for example, camping or storage. TV trays. Small tables in trains and aircraft may be fixed or foldable, although they are sometimes considered as simply convenient shelves rather than tables. Tables can be freestanding or designed for placement against a wall. Tables designed to be placed against a wall are known as pier tables or console tables. And from the word French, console means support bracket, and may be bracket mounted traditionally like a shelf or have legs, which sometimes imitates the look of a bracket mounted table. When we look at types of tables, tables of various shapes, heights, and sizes are designed for specific uses. We have listed some of them as follows. Number 1 is the dining room table. Dining room tables are designed to be used for formal dining. Number 2, bedside tables. Nightstands or night tables are small tables used in a bedroom. They are often used for convenient placement of small lamp, alarm clocks, glasses, or other personal items. And number 3, drop leaf tables. These tables have a fixed section in the middle and a hinged section of the leaf on either side that can be folded down. Number 4, get leg tables. They have 1 or 2 hinged leaf supports supported by hinged legs. Number 5, coffee tables. These are low tables designed for use in a living room in front of a sofa for convenient placement of drinks, books, or other personal items. Number 6, refractory tables. They are long tables designed to sit many people for meals. Number 7, drafting tables. They usually have a top that can be tilted for making a large or technical drawing. They may also have a ruler or similar element integrated. Number 8, workbenches. These are sturdy tables, often elevated for use with a high stool or while standing, which are used for assembly, repairs, or other precision handwork. And number 9, nested tables. These are a set of small tables of graduated size that can be stacked together, each fitting within the one immediately larger. They are for occasional use, such as a tea party, and hence the stackable design. So these are just some of the lists. There are other specialized tables such as a pool table, a loo table, and so on. So this is just to give you the highlight. When we look at the benefits of metal furniture, durability is the main advantage of metal furniture. For example, not many types of non-metal furniture can remain outside during winter and still look great when spring arrives. If cared for properly, metal furniture can last up to 30 years. Because most metal furniture is treated for rust and heat resistance, it doesn't need much maintenance. One of the common problems with wooden leg tables is that the wood tends to wear over time and when moved from place to place in the room. Besides, fancy designs achieved by metal are not easily and safely achieved by wood. Thus, lots of manufacturers and DIY enthusiasts are shifting to metal legs in their table projects. Now you'll find 3 main metal choices in contemporary furniture: cast iron is still used, especially in outdoor settings where its sheer weight keeps it grounded on windy days. However, iron needs to be waterproofed well, as it tends to rust and the weight can put some people off. When we look at aluminum, on the other hand, it is incredibly light and doesn't rust, which makes it a popular choice for occasional indoor and outdoor furniture. The steel is low maintenance, it doesn't corrode, and it's incredibly strong, which is why it is used by numerous manufacturers. Metal furniture can now be produced in large quantities thanks to changes in manufacturing process. While in the early days it was wrought by hand and time-consuming to craft, today's advanced machinery means that it's now possible to create quality metal furniture pieces that are designed to suit all tastes with a quick turnaround. As I have mentioned previously, we will put links to such manufactured pieces which you can buy off-shelf and install in your projects in the video description. Cast iron is used mainly for outdoor furnishings and settings, such as those used for bench legs and solid iron tables. It is suited to outdoor use due to its hardness, heaviness, and general tough composition. The main disadvantage is that it being a relatively pure form of iron, it's subjected to corrosion at the hands of moisture and air. On the other hand, stainless steel is used very extensively for most modern interior furnishings involving metal. Many hinges, slides, supports, and body pieces are composed of stainless steel. It has a high tensile strength, allowing it to be applied using hollow tubes, reducing weight and increasing user accessibility. Aluminum is a light and corrosion-resistant metal, and to take advantage of these qualities, it is heavily utilized for stamped and cast furniture, especially in the category of molded chairs. Aluminum atoms form the outer layer of aluminum oxide, which prevents internal aluminum from being corroded. Metal furniture is a popular choice for furnishings, especially used outdoor for decks and patios. However, metal furniture can also be used indoors. Besides being sturdy, metal furniture is attractive, giving a contemporary look to your home. To make it stand out, all it takes is a good polishing to give it added charm and character. Steel furniture is typically pricier when it is used as furniture, with the price varying according to the type of metal and thickness. However, it is hard to identify it after a finish is applied. Steel has low, medium, or high carbon, with most metal furniture being made with low carbon because it is cheaper than the high grade of carbon. Stainless steel is used for low maintenance, made of an alloy of carbon, iron, and other metals because of its thin film of oxide on the surface. Wrought iron, as mentioned previously, is good for garden furniture, providing a classic look. However, it is heavy, which is a challenge but appreciated on windy days. It needs much care, though, and can easily rust and corrode if not waterproofed. Aluminum is more common than steel furniture, mostly because it does not rust and although it oxidizes, turning it into a chalky white. It is also lighter than steel, making it more desirable. Cast and heavy tube aluminum give better quality. Aluminum has to be thicker than steel if it is to have as much strength. Tubular aluminum is flexible and hollowing, besides less sturdy. However, its lightness makes for an ideal poolside furniture and is mainly used for benches, folding chairs, and swinging sets. Regarding finishes, choosing the right finish for metal furniture or metal table legs is important because of its durability. Some of the most common finishes include chrome plating, PVDF, plastic, painted, brass, and anodized finishes. Chrome plating, although durable, is thin, and if damaged where it is exposed to air, scratches can rust. Plastic coated finishes are synthetically made and good. as they prevent rusting of the material, changing color from air exposure. Although they are as strong as paint finishes, they don't hold up as well as electroplated finishes. Painted finishes, another option. Paint finishes are for both steel and aluminum furniture, although it easily scratches and rusts. On the other hand, brass plating, which is an electroplated finish, is applied in a base and is durable. Solid brass is both pricey and rare. To decide if a finish is solid brass, put a magnet on the furniture, and if it clings, it's made of brass-plated steel or iron into steel is magnetic. Brass is made from copper and zinc, two metals that are prone to corrosion from exposure to even salty water or air. Therefore, brass finish should be oiled or clear coated with polyurethane or a similar material to make a barrier from air and water to prevent corrosion. Corrosion is slowed when a surface is already oxidized. For example, aluminum is very hard to weld because of its persistent aluminum oxide layer. This prevents access to the bare metal. Anodized finishes are used on aluminum furniture to increase the thickness of the aluminum oxide layer, creating a thicker barrier between the atmosphere and aluminum-based metal. Well, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting table leg design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. And by now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can easily copy and use it in your projects. If you like such content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when you upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.